In today's video, I'm going to give you a breakdown on how to generate $20,000 per month consistently using the power of the internet. I'm also going to give you the name of a program I believe is one of the best programs to make money online at the moment. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Making $20,000 per month used to be a very difficult goal to reach. It almost seemed unreachable for some people. But today, with the power of the internet, it's a very achievable goal. You just need to find the right product or service to promote. You also need to have some good internet marketing skills, or you can just hire the right people to do the promotion for you. If your goal is to make $20,000 per month online, you first need to do some simple math. To make $20,000 per month, you need to make $670 per day, or you need to make $5,000 per week. Now that you have the formula down, you need to find a product or service that will allow you to make that kind of money. And I'm talking about $20,000 per month in profit, not just revenue. The first thing you need to take into consideration is how much are you willing to invest into the business. To make money in any business, you need to have some startup capital, and you also need to spend money on time on advertising. Now let's do some math. To make $20,000 per month, you can spend $2,000 on ads and make $22,000 in sales. To make $20,000 per month, you can spend $5,000 on ads and make $25,000 in sales. To make $20,000 per month, you can spend $10,000 on ads and make $30,000 in sales. I hope with this breakdown, you now see that making $20,000 per month is very feasible. I'm sure you can agree with me that if you spend $10,000 on ads, you'll be able to generate a lot of sales. But again, you need to spend that kind of money on the right product. Before picking the product, let's do some more math. Option 1. Pick a product or service that generates $20 profit per sale. You would need to make 1,000 sales per month to make $20,000. Option 2. You need to pick a product or service that generate $100 profit per sale. You need to make 200 sales per month to make $20,000. Option 3. Pick a product or service that generates $1,000 in profit per sale, and you would need to make 20 sales per month to make $20,000. Option 4. Pick a product or service that generates $5,000 profit per sale. You'd need to make 4 sales per month to make $20,000. This is where it gets interesting. Picking the right product or service will mainly depend on your skill level and your financial situation. So let me give you some very specific examples for people at any financial level. Level 1, you have no money and no skills. If you do not have the money or the required skills, your main focus should be skill development. That should be your priority. You don't need to worry about making money at this stage. You need to master the art of internet marketing. To do so, you can find free courses online or buy a course on Udemy, a very low price. Level 2, you have the skills but no money. If you have the required skills but do not have any money, you should pick option 1 or option 2. For option 1, you can trade your skills for money. You can sell your services as a freelancer on Fiverr or on Upwork. You can also do some drop shipping, which requires a very low cost to start. In picking this option, you need to be very good with advertising because you do not have a high margin on your products. You would need to use a combination of organic traffic and paid traffic to generate sales. It would require a lot of hard work and dedication to generate 1,000 sales per month, but it is definitely possible. For option 2, you can create an online course. With this option, you have a higher margin, so you can spend a lot more on advertising. For example, if you create a course that sells for $200, you can spend $100 on ads per sale and still make $100 in profit. You can also dropship high-ticket products. Level 3, you have the skills and a few bucks. When you start making enough money, you can upgrade to option 3. This option will require more startup capital, but you'll get higher margins. An example for option 3 is to start a digital agency. Most agency owners can make $1,000 to $3,000 profit per client each month. So you would need to have at least 20 clients each month to make $20,000. You can also do affiliate marketing and promote products that generate $1,000 commission per sales. A good example is being a business loan broker. You can make $1,000 commission each time you get someone approved for a loan. And if you are looking to become a business loan broker, you will find below this video the link of a good training that will allow you to do just that. Another option is to promote Digital Wealth Academy, which is a master resell right opportunity, which means you get to resell a digital product as your own and you get to keep 100% of the revenues. Yes, you heard me correctly. You get to keep 100% of each sale. We all know that selling digital products is one of the best ways to make money online today. Unlike physical products, you do not have to worry about shipping and handling, and you can sell it everywhere in the world. You will also find the link of that opportunity below this video. Level 4, you have the money to invest. Having the money is the best situation to be in because you can pick any of the options. If you do not have the skills, you can just hire someone to do the advertising for you. But if you do have the money and the skills, that's even better because that would make you unstoppable. If you are in this situation, I personally recommend you to jump in straight to option 4. The margin for this option is very high and you can spend a lot more on advertising. For example, you can spend $4,000 on ads to make one sale that's still $1,000 in profit. With this option, it's almost impossible to fail. A good example for this option is to join a high-ticket affiliate program. I believe high-ticket affiliate programs is one of the easiest ways to make money online today on the internet. You can pick any high-ticket affiliate program that pays $5,000 plus in commission per sale. With that being said, there are two main reasons why most people fail online. The number one reason is having a weak mindset. To go from poor to $20,000 per month is a big jump, and that requires you to work on your mindset. You need to do some personal development work on a consistent basis. I place a link in the description below of good training that will allow you to work on your mindset. The number two reason why most people fail online is a lack of advertising. They do not spend enough money on ads. The internet is a very crowded place, so it doesn't matter how good your product or service is. If you do not invest in advertising, people are not going to find you. The more money you spend on ads, the more people will know about your products and the more money you'll be making. I hope this video gives you a clear path on how to make your first $20,000 per month on the internet.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.